why you convert number to character type? You convert number to character type to display number in what different formats. Select two char, number is 1, 2, 3, 4 in single quotes. Just give the format. Suppose I'm giving L9G 999, something like this. Okay, then from dual. So $1, 2, 3, 4. Next. And why you convert? Okay. So why you convert like character to date? Why you convert the character to date? To convert character, why you want? Because suppose this is my calculation, sysdate plus 10 from dual. So to the system dates, 10 days are added. So this is calculated. You're able to calculate this. You're able to add 10 days to the system date, but not to the system date. I want to add 10 days to continuous close. Understood? Then now next. Okay, then just in conversions, one is left. What that is? This is also same. Converting what? Converting what's that? Character to number. Okay, converting character to number. Converting character to number. Here, character means what? Your character means what? Character means not ABC, XYZ. ABC cannot be converted to number. XYZ cannot be converted to number. Here, what is character means? Character means this. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is in single quotes. 1, 2, 3, 4 is in single quotes means what is this is? Character. Otherwise, this is one example. So, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, $1, 2, 3, 4. What are these? All these are what's it? Characters. This is one character. This is one string. This is one string. Okay? Then. So I want to convert this string to number. I want to convert this string to what? I want to convert this string. Function we use. You read it. You read it. What function is used? To number. So 2_number. First one is what? First one is character. First one is next one is format. Character means this one. This is okay. Then now so example. Now let's see. Example. Suppose here select. Once again. Sir, 5,000 plus 1,000. Just listen. 5,000 plus 1,000. What this gives? 6,000. 5,000 plus 1,000 gives 6,000. But 1,000 is given like this. 1, 0, 0 from DL. Then tell me what this gives. This command gives what? Error. Because 5,000 is number. But what is this is? String. So string plus number is what? Invalid. So this command gives error. Invalid number. Whenever there is a problem with conversion in your query, if there is a problem with conversion, you'll get one error called invalid number. If you are getting invalid number error means there is a problem with conversion. That's all. There is a problem with what? Conversion. Now, convert this string to what? Convert this string to number. If you want to do this calculation, convert this string to number. How to convert this string to number? Use what? To number. So 5,000 plus 2_number. Then what is the value? 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now you tell Oracle what is 1, what is comma, what is 0, 0. Then what is 1 is? 1 is a digit. How to tell Oracle 1 is a digit? 9. Next, you tell Oracle, comma is what? 1000 separator. How to tell Oracle, comma is a 1000 separator? G. If you say G, Oracle understand that comma is a 1000 separator. Next, what is 0, 0, 0? 99 digits. So then now Oracle understand that. So this 1 comma 0 0 is given in this format. Now Oracle will convert this to what? Number. Now it can able to calculate. Yes. Now it can able to calculate. Yes. Now it gives what? 6000. Okay. Understood? Then. So if we give like this, what this command gives? Error. This command. Then, okay. Now, note on this. Calculate. Then, now. That's all. This is what, where two number function is what useful. Okay, then. Now, so this is $5,000. If you want to convert this to number, you must tell Oracle what is dollar, what is comma. Next, you want to convert this to number, you must tell Oracle what is USD, what is comma. USD is what? Currency. Then say C. Oracle understand that USD is what? Currency. What is comma is what? G. Next one. What is dollar is? Next one L. What is comma is G. Then that's all. Oracle able to convert this to number. You have to, if you want to convert this, then you have to tell what is dollar, what is comma, then Oracle can able to convert. Okay, that's all. This is where two number function is useful. Okay, then so for example, input output function. Input is system date. Output I want to show system date. System date means today's date. I want to show the system date in MMDDYY format. Then tell me which function is useful. Which function you use? Input is system date. Output I want MMDDYY. To-char function. Input is MMDDYY. Output I want DDMONYY. Input is MMDDYY. Output is DDMONYY. See, by seeing this, you can easily able. This is date. Sir, in Oracle, date means DDMONYY. DDMONYY. Other than DDMONYY is called string. Now this date is what? Date. What is this is? Character. Sir, date means DDMONYY. Other than DDMONYY, everything is called string. So date to character type. Then date to character. To-char. Character to date. Then which function? To-date. Date to character, to-char. Character to date, to-date function. Okay. Oracle format to other formats. Oracle format to other formats. What? To-char. Other formats to Oracle. Other formats to Oracle. Then
To-date.
To-date. Oracle format to other formats. To-char. Other formats to Oracle. Then to-date. Next one. Suppose 5,000. 5,000. I want to show 5,000. $5,00. 5,000 is there. I want to show 5,000 with $5,00. Which function we use?
toChar.
toChar. $5,00. Actual number is $5,00. I want to convert this to 5,000. Then what? Which function we use? toNumber. That's all. What is this is? What is this is? Number. What is this is? Character. Number to character. toChar. What is this is? Character. What is this is? Number. Character to number. toNumber. That's all. Okay, then. That's all. What we completed is, we completed conversion functions. What the next one is? Next three are left. What is this is? Special functions. In special functions also there are one or two. Okay. Special functions. In special functions, okay, one is most widely used is NVL. One function is there that is most widely used, NVL. What is NVL stands for? NVL means null values. NVL stands for null values. What for this is used? This function used to convert null values. NVL means null values. What for we use? This is used to convert null values. So if you want to convert null values, we use NVL function. How to use NVL function? NVL function takes two arguments, argument 1, argument 2. This function takes two arguments, argument 1, argument 2. Suppose if argument 1 equals to null, if argument 1 equals to null, returns, if argument 1 is null, first argument is null, returns second argument. If first argument is null, return second argument. Okay, then. If first one is null, return second one. If first one is not null, first argument is not null, returns argument 1 only. If first one is null, returns second one. If first one is not equal to null, returns first one only. Okay, then. Now, so where it is useful, like suppose first try to understand what is this actually. I pass 100 comma 200. Then
It written 100.
I pass 100 comma 200. You read it. If you read it, you'll get the answer. First one is null or not null? Not null. If it is not null, then returns first one only. What that is? 100. Next, NVL, null comma 200. First one is null. If first argument is null, NVL function returns argument 2. What the argument 2 is? 200. So first one is null, returns second one. First one is not null, returns first one only. So this is NVL function. And it is used to convert null values. Where it is useful? Let's see one example. Just listen. Suppose I want to show name, salary, commission, total salary. I want to calculate each and every employee total salary. What the total salary is? Salary plus commission. What the total salary is? Salary plus commission. For every employee, I want to calculate the total salary. How to write the query? You have to write like this. What is select? What's that? E-name, salary, commission. Next one, salary plus commission. Salary plus commission as total sal from EMP. So what it will show? Every employee total salary. And the first employee name is what? Smith. His salary is 800, but commission is what? Null. So salary 800, commission is null. But what is the total salary? Total salary is also null. Total salary is also null. Because in Oracle, so something plus null equal to null. Something minus null is null. Something into null is null. Something by null is null. Okay. In Oracle, in any calculation, if null is present, result is also null. Null plus something is null. Null minus something is null. Null into something is null. Null by something is null. So here, the total salary also becomes what? Null. 800 plus null becomes null. Next employee, Ellen, his salary is 1600, commission is 300. What the total salary is? The total salary is 1600 plus 300, that is 1900. Okay, then means you are not able to calculate the total salaries of all the employees. You are able to calculate total salaries of only some employees. If commission is null, the total salary also becomes what? Null. You see that 800 plus null is null. 1600 plus 300, 1900. 2975 plus null, null. 2850 plus null, null. So you are not able to calculate total salaries of all. You are able to for employees because of their commission is not null. Okay. If commission is null, total salary also becomes null. Then how to overcome this problem? So if commission is null, convert that value to 0. If commission is null, convert that value to what, sir? 0. Because 800 plus null is what? Null. But 800 plus 0 is what? 800. So if commission is null, convert that value to 0. How to convert the null value to 0? By using this NVL function. Okay, now? So this is where it is useful. It is useful in calculations. In calculation, one of the values null, the total result is null. So convert that null value to 0 or something. Okay. Then now, so you're not able to calculate the total salaries. Then what you do? Convert this, like in this total salary, convert the commission to, if commission is null, convert that value to 0. Then how? You have to write like this. What is select what, sir? E-name, salary, commission, salary plus what? Salary plus NVL of what, sir? Commission comma 0 as total salary from EMP. So in case commission is null, we are converting that value to what? 0. And what the first employee is? Smith. What the salary? 800. What the commission? Null. And total salary 800 plus null. Null is converted to 0. 800 plus 0. 800. Next one, Alan. Salary 1600. Commission is what? 300. Commission is 300. 1600 plus 300. What? 1900. Okay. So your commission is converted to 0. Sir, commission is null 300. Your commission is null, not null. Not null. When it is converted to 0?
When commission is null.
If commission is what? Null, then NVL function returns 0. If commission is not null, NVL function returns what? Commission only. Sorry, your first argument is null, returns second argument. First argument is not equal to null, returns first one. So commission is not null. If commission is not null, returns commission. Okay. So 1600 plus 300, 1900. Now you can able to calculate total salaries of all the employees. You are able to calculate the total salaries of all the employees or not? Yes. Even though their commission is null, but still you can able to calculate the total salaries of what? All the employees. See that? Okay. Understood? Then. Now this is where NVL function is what? Useful. First one is without NVL, next with NVL. Oh. Okay. Okay, next. Then. Now. So this is what. No. Next, not only to 0, you can convert this to any value. You can convert it to 100, 200, 500, anything. Okay. Yeah, no? Oh. No. So let's say this. So not only to 0, you can convert this value to what? 100. You can convert this value to 100. Means, like, let's see, suppose, for example, then. So, here, what? Just see, select what's that? E-name, salary, commission, salary plus NVL of commission, comma, what? 100 from EMP. First employee, salary is 800, commission is null. Then what is the total salary? Total salary is what? 900. Because null is converted to 100. 800 plus 100. Then what it gives? 900. Okay? You can convert this to any value. E-name, salary, commission, salary plus NVL commission minus 100. Minus 100 from EMP. If commission is null, it is converted to what? Minus 100. So salary is 800, commission is null. 800 minus 100, then 700. Total salary is what? 700. So you can convert this to any value. Okay? Then just in this example, I converted to 0, but you can convert it to any value. Okay, na? So, like one user, like one of the user is asking like this, display e-name, salary, commission. Display the name, salary, commission. So if commission is null, sir, if commission is null, what Oracle is showing? If commission is null, what Oracle is showing? Huh? Empty, blank. If commission is null, Oracle is showing blank now. But users, they don't like to see the blanks. Okay, na? Users, they don't like to see the blanks. You have to fill something. Everything should be defined. If you don't define, then they don't understand. Okay, na? Then. So in the outputs, everything should be like you have to define it. What is this blank? Okay, na? Then. So, like they don't like to see the blanks. You have to fill, you have to specify something here. Like just a best example is student marks are there. Mathematics, physics, chemistry. Okay. One student absent for physics. Then one student is absent for physics. What we enter into database? Sir, database, sir. Not Excel sheet. One student is absent for physics. What we enter? We can't enter AB. Don't say AB. Because physics data type is num. Number data type doesn't accept AB. Then what we enter? We don't enter 0. 0 is different, absent is different. Null. We enter null value. And if for chemistry got 70 marks. But is absent for physics. What we entered into database? Null value. But at the time of displaying, this is stored in database. This is how it is stored in database. But at the time of printing, I want to print like this. 80. Then physics is what's that? Absent. Chemistry is what? 70. Sir, in database, you are storing what bars? Null value. But in the output, I want to show what? Absent. Okay? Then, I want to print absent here. In database, you are storing null. But at the time of displaying, I want to display what? Absent. Then, what? Because if you show null here, then users, they don't understand whether student is absent or whether student got 0 marks or they don't understand. That's why instead of showing null, show what? Absent. Then they will understand that student is absent for the exam. Okay? Then tell me how. Here also, what user is saying, if commission equal to what? Null, display, what's that? NA. NA means, if commission is null, show NA. NA means not applicable. NA means what? Not applicable. That means commission is not applied to the employee. If commission is null, show NA. Then tell me how. How to write? Select e-name, salary, See that commission, if commission is null, I want to show NA, then what? NVL, then commission comma, what? NA as commission from EMP. If commission is null, then Oracle returns what? NA. So once again, run this query. Just listen. Then just see this. So listen this. Then what this gives? This gives what, sir? Invalid number. Why? Because what the reason is, sir, in NVL function takes how many arguments? 2 arguments. And both arguments must be same data type. Both must be what? Same type. If argument 1 is number, argument 2 must be number. If argument 1 is character type, argument 2 must be character. If argument 1 is date, argument 2 must be date. So this both must be same type. But when it comes to here, commission is what type? Commission is what type? Number type. NA is what type? Character type. Commission is numeric type. NA is character type. That's why this is giving what's that? Invalid number. So whenever invalid number error means there is a problem with conversion, next you need to apply conversion functions. And then what you have to do? Convert the commission to what? Sorry, NA is character, na? Convert the commission to what? Character. Convert the commission to character. Then so that both will be same type, na? Yes. How to convert commission to character? Apply what? 2char. Apply 2char. 2char of what, sir? Commission. Now commission is converted to what type? Character type. Now this will work. Yes or no? Here in NVL, what is this? First argument is what type? Character type. Second argument is also what type? Character type. Both are same type or not? Yes. Then now let's run this query. So this query gives what? Wherever commission is null, then Oracle displays what? NA. So first employee commission is null. It will show NA like this. Not applicable. But is NA stored in the database? No. What is stored in the database? Null. Okay, na? In database we are storing null, but at the time of displaying we are printing NA. Understood? Then. So first employee Smith, salary is 800, commission is what? NA. Next one, LN, 1600, commission is 300. Then that's all. This is where NVL function is useful. Okay, then how to convert one string to another string? How to convert one string to another string? One string to another string. Huh? Replace. What is the function? Replace. One character to another character. One character to another character. Translate. One character to another character. What? Translate. One string to another string. Replace. Character to character. Translate. Null to some value. Null to some value. NVL. So these are all for one to another one. Okay, one string to another string, one character to another character, null value to some value. Okay, then NVL function. There is a call, what's that? ASCII. There is a call ASCII. What is this ASCII returns? ASCII value of a given character. ASCII value of a given character. You know ASCII value? Huh? Then. So to this function, you pass character, but this function returns what? ASCII value. You pass character, but this function returns ASCII value. Okay, then. You pass character, but this function returns ASCII value. For example, you pass ASCII of A, then what this gives? 65. ASCII of A, 65. So you pass 65, but you pass A, but function returns what? 65. ASCII value of A. Understood? Then there is a reverse. What the reverse is? CHR. There is a reverse. What the reverse is? CHR. What is CHR is? Returns what? Character for given ASCII value. It returns character for given ASCII value. What is the input to this function? What is the input to this function? ASCII value. But what function output is? Character. CHR of 65. What is CHR of 65? Returns A. The previous one takes character, returns ASCII value. But this function takes ASCII value, returns character. Quite opposite. So this is fixed. A value 65, B value 66, C value 67. That is fixed. That is a code. For every character, they given the code. That code is called what? ASCII value. Okay, then. Now, like suppose, for example, just see. Then select what? Okay, A-B. Then tell me what it will show. From dual, what it will show? AB. It will show AB. A pipe B. A and B are what? Concatenated. But I'm writing like this. Select A, concatenate CHR of 10, concatenate B from dual. A concatenate with CHR of 10. CHR of 10 is concatenated with B from dual. That means A and B are concatenated, separated by A, B are concatenated, separated by CHR of 10. A, B are concatenated, separated by CHR of 10. Then, now see the output. Now see the output. it is printing like this, AB. Now tell me what is CHR of 10? See the output and tell me. That's all. See the output and guess the what is CHR of 10. CHR of 10 is new line character. What is CHR of 10 is new line character. Okay, now that means between A and B, what is inserted? Between A and B, what is inserted? New line is inserted. A concatenated with new line. That new line is concatenated with what? B. That's why it is printing like this. Sir, understood now? Yeah. Okay, then. So this is what then. So if you write like this, then what? So select what's that? A, then CHR of what? 10. Next one B from DL. So what it will print? Actually, it will print side by side now. When you concatenate, it prints side by side, but it's printing line by line because between A and B, what is inserted is new line is inserted. So CHR of 10 is what, sir? New line. If you go to C language, they say like this. You know, now /n, then new line. Okay, then. Sir, actually, once again, suppose I want to print, like first employee is there, 7369. I want to print that employee details, 7369 details. First employee is 7369. I want to print that employee details. Then how you write? Select star. I want to print number, name, job, salary. Then I want to print name. I don't want to print all. I want to print name, job, salary, height, date from EMP. So it will print this one. Sorry. Select what's her e-name, job, salary, height, date from EMP. Not all, only first employee. What that is? 7369. So it prints like this. Yes. So it is printing the employee details. It is printing the details in one row, single row. Yes or no? It is printing the employee details in one row. But I want to print like this. How I want to print? I want to print like this. Employee, what's that? Smith. What the job is? Clerk. What is the salary? 800. What is the height date? 17th December 80. I want to print line by line. Understood now? So actually, if you print by default, it prints in single line, single row. But I want to print row by row. I want to print the name in first row, job in second row, salary third row, height date is fourth row. Then what you have to do, if you want to print like this, you have to write query like this. So this is one example. Another one, just see, select what, sir? E-name, then CHR of what? 10. Next one, job. Next one, CHR of 10. Next one, salary. Next, CHR of 10. Next one, height date from EMP. Then. So what this gives? This gives what? Then. This prints what? Line by line. Not all the employees, only particular employee. Then apply what? Where condition. Where what? Which employee? Where employee number equal to 7369. 7369. So 7369 employee details are printed. But let's see how it prints. It prints like this. So Smith, clerk, 17th December 80. Sir, okay na? Then. Usually it prints in row. But now you are printing what, sir? Column wise. Understood? Then. Okay, then. So suppose if you take Amazon stores customer details, your details are stored in what? In customer table, your details are stored in what? One row. Your details are stored in one row. But they want to deliver a product to the customer. They want to print address slip. They want to print address slip. You know address slip? Address slip, boss. In address slip, they want to print customer name, house number, street, city, state, pin code. But how they want to print address slip? Okay, line by line. Yes or no? But in database, that customer details are stored in one row. But in address slip, they want to print what's it? Line by line. First, they want to print name. Next line, house number. Next line, street. Next line, city. Next, state, pin code. Got it? So that case, it is useful. Okay, na? Then. So, then. Next. So then, then this is, there are two. So one is what? One is what, sir? ASCII. Another one what? CHR. ASCII and CHR. Okay, then. You know loops, programming languages, loop, while loop. Like for example, there is a I equals to what? 1. And or you know for loop? For loop. For I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. Then every time you want to print what, sir? I var. Print I. I is initialized to what? I is initialized to 1. And I is less than. Check the condition. Condition true, na? Yes. Prints what? I. After printing I value is incremented by 1. I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equals to 10. Yes. Prints 2. Next I becomes 3. Next 4. Like this goes up to 10. I value becomes 11. When once I value becomes 11, condition false. Loop is what? Terminated. Loop is terminated. Yes or no? Then. So this is loop. In programming languages, you use while loop, for loop, do while, etc. But question is then how to implement loop in SQL? How to implement a loop in SQL? But anything you want to implement in SQL, you write a query. In SQL means you write a query. Everything is implemented through queries only. Okay, na? Then, but here you cannot write for loop, do while they are not there in SQL. But if you want to implement that loop in SQL, you have to write a query. So you write a query, but that query works like a loop. We'll write one query, but that query works like a loop. Then, so what that is? Select what that is? Level from what? Dual. Next one, connect to by. Next what? Level less than or equals to 10. That's all. This query works like a loop. This query will print numbers from 1 to 10. This query prints numbers from what? 1 to 10. This works like a loop. So it is equivalent to, for I equal to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. But instead of I, what? Instead of I, here, level. Right. So what is level is? Level is a predefined variable. What is level? Level is a predefined variable. In programming, you declare the variable, na? But here what? We don't declare. So there is a predefined variable. What is that predefined variable is? Level. So level is a predefined variable. Next. And by default, level is initialized to what? By default, level initialized to 1. Level is a predefined variable initialized to 1. Okay, then. So in loops, you use while, for, like that. But here we use what? Instead of for, while, here we use connect by. In programming languages, while is there. Instead of while, we use what? Connect by. Loop condition. Here the loop condition. Connect by level is what? What is connect by level contains? Loop condition. If the loop condition is there, if loop condition is true, then printing is continued. If this condition false, printing is stopped. And by default, level is incremented by 1. Level incremented by 1. If connect by level, if connect by condition is true, printing is continued. Okay? If connect by condition is true, printing is continued. Otherwise, that means condition false, so printing is stopped. Printing the level value is stopped. If connect by condition is true, printing is continued. Otherwise, printing is terminated. Okay, then, so now, then, this is equivalent to what? Level equal to 1, level less than or equals to 10, level plus plus. This statement is equal to this. Next, print level. Print level. This query is equivalent to this. The select query is equivalent to this. Okay. Decrement no. Okay, na? Then. Let me run this. Okay, na? Let me run this. Then. 1 second. Let me run this. This prints numbers from what? 1 to 10. This query prints numbers from 1 to 10. Then this query prints numbers from 1 to 10. You want to print numbers 1 to 100, then same thing. Instead of level less than or equals to 10, 100. If it's 100, then this query prints numbers from 1 to 100. So write a query, suppose to print numbers, to print even numbers up to 20. So write a query to print even numbers up to 20. The previous one printing all the numbers now, but don't print all, print only even numbers. Same thing. If number is even, then print. Otherwise, no. Then so to the same query, what you have to do? Add one more condition, boss. This continues up to 20, but this will print all. But I don't want to print all. If it is even, then only print. Then where? Then mod of level comma 2 equal to 0. So divide level with 2. Divide level with 2. Remainder is 0. Then print. So tell me, for the first time, what is level? For the first time, what is level? 1. 1 less than or equals to 20. Yes, condition true. Next, check the where condition. 1 divided with 2. Remainder is 0. No. Condition false. Printed or not printed? Not printed. Next, by default, level is incremented by 1. Level becomes how much? 2. 2 less than or equal to 20. Yes. Then divide 2 with 2. Remainder is 0. Yes, condition true. Prints 2. Level becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 20. Yes. Mod of 3 comma 2. Mod of 3 comma 2. False. Condition false. Printed or not printed? Not printed. So this query will print only even numbers. If you want, you can check. Then. So this is printing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So query that prints what? Only even numbers. You have to write logic then. Okay, na? This is not a programming language. If Oracle is given a function to check prime number, then we can write it here. Now, for example, then write a query to display all ASCII characters. Write a query to display all the ASCII characters. I want to print all ASCII characters. Total how many? Total how many? How many ASCII characters are there? 256. I want to print all the 256 ASCII characters. I want to print all the 256 ASCII characters. Tell me the logic. Query. Sir, I want output to be like this. And starts from, so suppose ASCII value 1, what is the character? ASCII value 2, what is the character? ASCII value 65, what is the character? ASCII value 66, what is the character? I want to print like this, 65, A, 66, B, like this. I want to print like this and continue up to what's that? 255 or 256, 255, okay na? Actually starts from 0 to 255, total 256. So tell me, how to print like this? I want output to be like this. What? Select what? Level, comma. Next, I want to print character. What is level? Prints ASCII value. Next, character. How to get the character? CHR of level. CHR of level. From dual. Next one. Connect by level less than or equals to 255. So this continues up to what? 255. For the first time, what is the level is? 1. 1 less than or equal to 255? Yes. Prints 1. CHR of 1. What is CHR of 1? Character. Character for the ASCII value 1. Next, level is incremented by 1. Level becomes 2. Condition true. Level 2. CHR of 2. Character for the ASCII value 2. Like level becomes 65. 65 less than or equal to 255? Yes. Print 65. CHR of 65. A. CHR of 65. Returns what? A. Like this goes up to how many times? 255 times. This goes up to 255 times. Then. So run this query. Then. So this query will print 65. What's that? A, B, C, D, like this. So it is printing all the, what's that? ASCII characters. Okay, na? Then. But this is some character that Oracle may not be able to display this. That's why it is showing like this. Okay, no? That's all. This is what, how to implement what's that? Loop. Okay, how to implement the loop. In programming languages, you write a big program for this. Okay, na? It is a simple query. You write a very complex program, yes or no? Big complex program. But here what? A simple query. Oh, this is okay now? Okay, then. Okay. I'll explain this in the next class. ఓకే, చెప్తాను, మర్చిపోతున్నా. ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చెప్పేస్తా. ఈ ఫంక్షన్స్ అయిపోయాక చెప్తాను. అంటే ఇది ఈ ఫంక్షన్, ఓకేనా? లెవెల్ చేంజ్ చేయలేవు దాన్ని. నువ్వు ఇక్కడ రాయటం లెవెల్ +4 నుంచి చేయటం. యూ హావ్ టు రైట్ లెవెల్ +4 అని రాయి, అంతేగాని నువ్వు చేంజ్ చేయలేవు. ఈఎంపి టేబుల్లో ఏమేం ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి చెక్ చేయండి. ఈఎంపి టేబుల్లో ఏమేం ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ వాల్యూస్ మ్యాచ్ కాకపోతే ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది, ఓకేనా? Alter, yes, add, update. No. After adding the column, update the column. Update command लिखना है. Update set this column name. What is the column name? Something last. Okay na? Equal to this expression. That's it. That is the only method. Yes. Add a column, update the column. If you want to permanent. This is only column is added. You want to fill the data, then update. No, 2 commands. You have to write 2 commands. Alter, update. Okay. Update the column. That's it. Yes. Yes. Sitanshu, what is your doubt? Sitanshu, what is your doubt? ఉండదు. ఎస్, నెంబర్ని డేట్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయం. సింగిల్ కోట్స్లో ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా దిస్ ఈస్ లైక్ మనం ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు సింగిల్ కోట్స్లోనే ఇస్తాం, ఓకేనా? ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంది అంటే ఇది క్యారెక్టర్ అన్నట్టే. ఎస్, ఎనీ వాల్యూ అంతే. అదే వాల్యూ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది మనకి, వాల్యూ సింగిల్ కోట్స్లోనే ఇస్తాం. వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది కదా, వాల్యూ సింగిల్ కోట్స్లోనే ఉంటుంది, ఓకేనా? ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంది, ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంటే అది క్యారెక్టర్ అన్నమాట. వాల్యూ ఉంది, వాల్యూ సింగిల్ కోట్స్లో ఉంది, ఈ ఫార్మాట్లో ఉంది, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్యారెక్టర్. సో ఈ ఫార్మాట్లో ఉంది, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ క్యారెక్టర్. What is ABR concatenated separated by new line? What is there in this? What is there in that? AB, it is showing like this, A new line B, that's all. Then Output is like this only, AB. Just execute this query. Between A and B, new line is inserted, boss. Between A and B, new line is inserted. That's all. What is there in this? Then A and B, select what? Select A, then B, CHR of 10. Next one, B from dual. A and B are concatenated, separated by. This is heading. Leave this heading. This is heading. See the data. Why you are seeing the heading? Heading can be anything. Heading can be anything. I'll show that in the tomorrow's class. I'll show this. In tomorrow's class, I'll show the queries. This one, like whatever I have written, printing starts. In tomorrow's class, I'll show that. What is the mention, boss? If you don't mention heading, then by default it comes like this. It takes first character. It takes from here. Sidhanshu, don't consider headings. Whatever heading you want to show, you can say as. Page size, I'll discuss. I said I'll discuss this page size, column, formats. I'll discuss. Sneha Gupta. Then. This is heading Sidhanshu. Leave it. Whatever you want, you can show. You can show ABC, XYZ, your name, like this also. Then what it comes, you leave it. It's up to the Oracle. What do you want, you specify. Okay, then. No. So this is not character size bars. This is character. ASCII value 10 character. That is new line. Between A and B, new line is inserted. Then it prints line by line. That's all. You see that I added a query, practice queries. I added. Just go and check. Sidhanshu, understand what is CHR of 10. CHR of 10 is new line character. If you say 20 character is inserted. That is not char. That is CHR. Char is different, CHR is different. Okay then. Bye. See you tomorrow.